Today we will do the cell chapter, right? ठीक है जी, cell chapter. Today we will discuss its structure and the function. But we had discussed, yeah, but we will start like all of you are aware the term cell, है ना? Who gave the cell? What is the meaning of the cell? हाँ जी, पुलकित.
Cell is the building block of all the living organisms.
You can say the building block, structural unit, functional unit. ठीक है, cell is what? This is the structural and the functional unit of the living organism या living being. अब cell जो है, who gave this term? Robert Hooke. The word that is mentioned over there coined the term. Coined means उसका name रखना. जैसे if I am saying Pulkit, I am saying Gurnoor, Shivam, whatever. So what is this? Who coined the term? Who gave the name? That is the Robert Hooke. And in which year he gave the term? 1665. ठीक है. And what he observed? He observed under a self-designed microscope. ठीक है. Bark of a tree. He took the bark of the tree and he observed. ठीक है. ठीक है. Why they are dead cells? They lost their living content. They had lost their living content. ठीक है. Robert Hooke in 1665 he observed the bark cells, cork bark or cork we can say. He observed under its self-designed microscope, and at that time he observed the dead cells because they had lost their living content. ठीक है. In 1665 he gave this term. After 1665, 150 years. After the 150 years तक we follow the same theory. We followed the same theory. इसी थ्योरी को हम फॉलो करते रहे कि these are the dead cells. कोई और नया उसमें चेंज नहीं आया. ठीक है. Then after that one, after 150 years, इस थ्योरी के बाद number of the scientists they gave their own ideas. क्योंकि पहले क्या था, माइक्रोस्कोप was not like that. After that the discovery of microscope started, and when the discovery of microscope started, they again observed the cells under the microscope. Then they found some different components, यानी कि different things they observed. So different scientists, उसमें हमारे पास है, you can say the Sachwan and the Schleiden, they gave a cell theory. These two scientists they gave the cell theory. ठीक है. Then number of the scientists, other scientists, Purkinje, Rudolf Virchow, they gave also their concept about the cell. तो cell की जो है, now these days what we are saying कि cells are made up from the pre-existing cells. ठीक है. Now these days we are saying that is the living, right? Now what is like, अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं cells, they vary in their shapes, in their sizes, in their number. ठीक है. On the basis of the number, cells are of two types, है ना? If we are talking about the number, अगर हम number को लेके चलते हैं, तो on the basis of the number, these are of two types. कौन कौन से? Unicellular and multicellular. ठीक है. Unicellular and multicellular. What do you mean by the unicellular? That is, the uni means single cell. These are made up of a single cell. Multicellular, these are made up of many cells. ठीक है. One cell perform all the functions. ठीक है. Different cells will perform the different function. Death of one cell means the death of organism. Death of one cell doesn't mean death of an organism. और example के अलावा same. That we discussed. Lifespan is short, lifespan is more, है ना? क्योंकि single cell is performing all the function, तो lifespan is short, lifespan is more. Example amoeba, paramecium. Example human being, cat, dog. All these are the multi-cell. That is the performing में आ गया. After that, when we discuss number पे हो गया unicellular, then we discussed about the different shapes. In your book, the different shapes are given, especially the 3 shapes. So we can ask you the diagrams or identification. ठीक है. Spindle shape is present, that is called the smooth muscle fibers. ठीक है. RBC, that is of the RBC or the oval in shape, branched and elongated, that is the nerve cell. ठीक है, different shapes आपके वहां present है. We discussed the nerve cell. This is the elongated and branched. अच्छा, which cells shape is not definite. Cells may be having that indefinite shape. They can change their shape. Yes. Example are WBC and amoeba. In case of the WBC and amoeba में क्या होता है? Like this. Like this. They are having that, they can change their shape. Two हमने cells करे हैं, they can change their shape. One is WBC and one is the amoeba. Amoeba can change its shape. यानी कि why it change its shape? And what are these called? This is called pseudopodia. What is the simple name of the pseudopodia? False feet. What is the name of the pseudopodia? That is the false feet. But they help. ये amoeba में pseudopodia help क्या करते हैं? Two functions mainly, movement and catching the prey. ठीक है, यहाँ for taking food and the food as well as the movement. ठीक है, pseudopodia helps in the movement. So two cells, they vary and they change their shape. One is amoeba and other one is the WBC. After that, as we are saying, elongated in shape, so we are having the nerve cell, है ना? Nerve cell is also called neuron, है ना? अब how we will make it? Neuron has two main parts. या nerve cell is having two main parts. कौन-कौन से? Cyton and axon. They are having two main parts. One is cyton. Cyton means cell body. Axon. This is cyton. And from here, this is axon. Right? Here. Ab now cyton, the cell body is having nucleus. Center place is the nucleus. And these are having projections that are called dendrites. ठीक है जी. Then these are having Shavon cell. ठीक है. अब as axon, है ना? This is just considered as axon. This is Shavon cell. That is around it, है ना? That means this is the axon और axon के आसपास क्या है? Shavon cell. So we are making it on a paper. So but we are doing like this, but it is all around. That means the nucleus is either on this side or on this side. Because the single cell is there, Shavon cell is there. That is just like this. It is holding. This is the Shavon cell. Okay, so you will make nucleus either on either this side or on this side, right? Now, this is called dendrites. This is called mesial granule. This is called nucleus. This is cytoplasm, but it is present in the neuron or nerve cell, so we can also term it as a nucleoplasm. We can also say it nucleoplasm because that are related to the nerves. We can say the nucleo word we are using. ठीक है, nucleus के साथ. nucleoplasm or cytoplasm you can write. This is Schwann cell, nucleus of Schwann cell you can label. Axon हमने कर लिया. The center part is, this is called node of Ranvier. Then nerve endings, and these are nerve endings भी लिख सकते हैं, and synaptic knob I think मैंने लिखवाया है. Synaptic knob we can say, and we can say the nerve ending. Is this clear? Diagram is clear to everyone? ठीक है. It is axon और जो fluid present है बीच में, that we can say the exoplasm. That we can say the exoplasm. Okay. ठीक है. Diagram clear? Diagram में कोई doubt? ठीक है. As you have to give, so might be the diagram we can ask you to make the diagram of anything. So that's why I'm telling it to you. ठीक है जी. Then after that we had discussed the different shapes. We discussed कि different shapes है जिसमें से nerve cell I already made. Then we can say they are having their different sizes also. ठीक है. Sizes अलग अलग हैं, shapes हैं. They are very smallest, मतलब micro हैं. So we are measuring it in the micrometer. ठीक है. That is the 1/1000th millimeter is equal to the 1 micrometer. ठीक है. इतना छोटा होता है. ठीक है. उसके बाद है in your book the terms that gave the two terms, the value of, they gave the two values. 1 billion is equal to how many million, and 1 trillion is equal to the how many billion. ठीक है. ये आप वैल्यू लर्न कर लेना. 1 billion is equal to the 1000 million, and 1 million नहीं 1 trillion is equal to the 1000 billion. These two values are given, so you can learn these two also. ठीक है जी. Different shapes are there. It is not related to the nerve. I had not rubbed it. ठीक है. After that we had discussed the smallest cell in our body. Smallest cell कौन सा है? Largest cell in our body is nerve cell, right? And you can say the one we had discussed, the smallest living cell, PPLO. Smallest living cell, PPLO, that is pleuropneumonia like organism. We had written this term also. Okay, that is PPLO. This is PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organism, smallest living cell. Is it clear? Virus is what? That is the connecting link between the living as well as the non-living. Okay, when it is outside of the, ठीक है बच्चे, when it is outside of the human body या host body, then it is non-living. When it enters into the host body, virus becomes a living. Different shapes, different sizes that are very small in size and all that. That is about the shapes and sizes. Right? After that, the staining is there. Like how we will observe these cells. हम cells को observe कैसे करते हैं? There is the staining. ठीक है? What is the meaning of the stain? That is the dye. हाँ? Coloring the parts of the cell, you can say it is a dye. ठीक है. Staining के लिए dye है. Dye use करते हैं to give the color to the parts of the cell. What are the different stains we use? We can use. I told you. I am asking about the different color stains. Methylene blue, saffronin, eosine, crystal violet. Okay, we discussed all these things. Eosine, crystal violet, methylene blue, saffronin, these are the different stains that is used to impart or give the color to the different parts of the cell. Now, how we can prepare the onion peel cell or the cheek cell? Onion is that is from the plant, and cheek cell that is from the animals, right? Ab how we can observe it, how we can see all these things. Okay, so that is like when we will discuss about the cell, uske baad I will tell you all these parts. ठीक है, या पहले discuss करते हैं. इसमें क्या है, how we will stain, what we will do, we will take a onion, ठीक है, remove the inner lining of the onion and then put it into the water. Why we are putting into the water? So that it will not dry or shrink. ठीक है, after that we will put it into the saffronin or methylene or any other stain. We can put it into the stain solution. After staining solution, we can also, after that we can also put it into the water to remove the extra stain. Extra stain remove करने के लिए भी हम डाल सकते हैं. Then mounting should be there. What is the meaning of the mounting? Keeping the substance on the slide. Then we will mount the onion cell onto the slide. ठीक है. Then after that we will put a 1 drop of the glycerin to prevent the again dryness or the shrinkage. Then we will put the cover slip on it. ठीक है. At the time when we will put the cover slip, we have to keep the some things, yeah, some precautions in our mind that it should be placed properly. The bubbles should not be there. ठीक है. Remove new bubbles नहीं होने चाहिए so that it will not interfere our observations. ठीक है. After that, when we will observe under a microscope, so we can see the different parts are there. ठीक है. In case of the plants, the diagram is already given. In case of the plants also, onion cell and cheek cell. Identification, I am telling you again and again. Identification, what the diagram is given in your book, we can ask you identify it. ठीक है. We can ask you about further identify, explain, yeah, whatever the question will come, right? Then in onion and cheek cell, we will do this. After that, now let's start the main topic, that is the cell. अगर हम बात कर रहे हैं, it is made up of the main 3 components. ये 3 components से बना है. हमने staining पहले कर लिया है. This is the first part is the cell membrane. What is the other name of the cell membrane? Plasma membrane. Then second is cytoplasm. Then third is nucleus, right? First part is the cell membrane or the plasma membrane. What is the cell membrane? है क्या ये? Outer boundary of the cell, outer जो space है, that is the cell membrane. ठीक है. It is also called the plasma membrane. It is selectively permeable membrane. Why it is called selectively permeable membrane? How it allows? What is the shape of this? It is porous. ठीक है. ठीक है. And allows the selective material to in and out of the cell. That's why this is called the selectively permeable membrane, right? This is called the selectively permeable membrane. Why it is called selectively? Because it allows some of the material to enter or exit of the cell. Then what are the main functions of the cell membrane or the plasma membrane? It provides shape to the cell. ठीक है. Shape provide कर रही है. It helps in the like the transmit, मतलब जो allows कर रही है material को. And selectively permeable membrane, it keeps the separate, मतलब जो cell membrane और the plasma membrane है, it keeps the cell from the surrounding medium. बाहर वाली boundary से उसको बाहर medium से it is separating it from there. ठीक है. So these are the function. Then the हाँ बोल तो रही हूँ. Protection, naturally cell membrane है तो naturally that will provide shape provide कर रही है, selection कर रही है, definitely it will. In case of the animal cell, the cell membrane, but in case of the plants, there is another outer covering is present outside of the cell membrane. What is that called? Cell wall. ठीक है. That is called the cell wall. That is the special feature that is present only in case of the plants only. Anji, it helps in the protection. Why cell wall is present only in case of the plants, not in animals? कौन से? It has to stand. बच्चे, plants are outside. They are steady over there. They are stationary. They can't move. ठीक है. To face the extreme conditions like the high temperature, pressure, wind. ठीक है. They have some extra covering that is called the cell wall, which protects it from the outside the like the different conditions. ठीक है. High temperature in summers, extreme temperature goes on. है ना. तो what is protecting? Which who will Anji? extreme cold. That is the outer wall, na? That is the main function of the cell wall, to withstand with the extreme condition. It helps the plant cell, it helps the plants to withstand with the extreme condition. So it's okay. Matlab that is the outer covering that is present, that will help to withstand with the extreme condition. Extreme either in the hot, either in the cold. Matlab either or vice versa चलेंगे. If the हाँ जी क्या कह रहे हो? तो वो that is due to the different processes है ना, but otherwise तो this is present to withstand with extreme condition. ठीक है, ठीक है. Cell wall is the extra covering that is present only in case of the plant cell to prevent it from the any injuries, prevent it from the, you have to withstand with the extreme conditions, that is the high pressure, high temperature, wind speed, storms, कुछ भी it can withstand. ठीक है जी. हाँ जी बच्चे.